Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 2, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is division. This is our summary lecture number 2. Today's topics are division as equal distribution, division as equal grouping, division on number line, and division as repeated subtraction. Write true or false. Fill in the blanks. Multiple choice questions. So beta, today we will cover all these topics of division chapter again. Understood? Let's start. First one is equal distribution. So here, divide 18 toffees among 3 children equally. Okay. So here beta, we have to divide 18 toffees among 3 children. ठीक है, हमें 18 toffees को 3 children में equally distribute करना है. So let's see how many toffees we have here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here we have 18 toffees and here we have 3 children. Okay. Now we have to distribute these toffees among these 3 children. Okay. So we will have to write here ki how many toffees each child will get. So here we have to speak the table of 3 and 3 की टेबल में बेटा 18 कौन से नंबर पे आता है, we have to find out that. So let's start speaking table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So here when we divide 18 by 3, we get 6. So each child will get 6 toffees. So here we will write 6, 6 and 6. Understood beta? Now the next one is equal grouping. So here beta, divide 20 pencils in groups of 5. So in this question we have to make groups of 5 pencils. Okay, so let's see how many groups we can make from them. So let's start. So here in first group we have 5 pencils. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to make one another group of 5 pencils. So how many pencils we have used in both the groups? 5 plus 5, 10. Now we can make one another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 pencils we have used and we can make one more group. Okay, so here we have another group of 5 pencils. So how many pencils we have used now? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 and we have 20 pencils. हमारे पास 20 pencils ही हैं और उससे हमने कितने groups बना लिए बेटा? 5 के groups बना लिए. So now the question arises, how many groups are there? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. We have made 4 groups. So we will write here 4. Okay. And we can say that 20 divided by, ठीक है, 20 को हमने किससे डिवाइड किया? 5 से. डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 4. 5 की टेबल में अगर हम काउंट करें 20 कौन से नंबर पे आता है? एट नंबर 4. सो 4 इज द आंसर. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज डिवाइड 18 by 3 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव अ नंबर लाइन and we have numbers from 0 to 20 on this number line. So our first number given is 18. So first of all we have to jump from 0 to 18 like this. 0 से हमने 18 पे jump करना है. Now we have to divide 18 by 3. ठीक है, हमने 18 को 3 से divide करना है. So we can do it by repeated subtraction method. Okay, so keep 18 in your mind and we have to speak 3 numbers backward. 17, 16, 15. So we will move from 18 to 15. Now 14, 13, 12. So we have to move from 15 to 12 like this. Okay. And now again 3 numbers, 11, 10, 9. So we have to move from 12 to 9. Then again 3 numbers, 8, 7, 6. So we have to move from 9 to 6. Again 3 numbers, 5, 4, 3. So from 6 to 3. And the last 3 numbers, 2, 1, 0. Now we have to move from 3 to 0 like this. Okay, beta? So how many groups we have made from it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how we can write it? That 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Understood, beta? Now the next one is divide by repeated subtraction method. अब यहाँ पर हमें repeated subtraction method के through sum को solve करना है. Okay. So here it is given 16 divided by 4 is equal to dash. Okay. So we have to do this sum by repeated subtraction method. Understood? So let's start. So first step हमारा क्या होगा? जिस नंबर से हमें डिवाइड करना है हम उसी नंबर को बार बार माइनस करेंगे बेटा. So first step is 16 minus 4. So keep 16 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 15, 14, 13, 12. So here we will write 12. Now we have to subtract 4 from 12. So here we will write 12 first of all and minus 4. So keep 12 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 11, 10, 9, 8. So here we will write 8. Now we have to subtract 4 from 8. ठीक है, अब हम इस 4 को 8 में से subtract करना है. So we will write 8 minus 4. So keep 8 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 7, 6, 5, 4. So here we will write 4. Now we have to subtract 4 minus 4. So here we will write 4. Okay, and minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So how many times we have subtracted 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the quotient is 4. Understood बेटा? जब भी आपको लिखा होता है क्वेश्चन में कि रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन मेथड के थ्रू आपको इसे डिवाइड करना है तो आपने इसी तरीके से करना है. Understood? Now one more example of repeated subtraction. So here in this it is given 45 divided by 9 is equal to dash. So here the given number is 45 and 9. 45 is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. So first of all we will subtract 9 from 45. So 45 minus 9. Keep 45 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. So here we will write 36. Now we have to subtract 9 from 36. So here we will write 36 minus 9. Now keep 36 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. So here we will write 27. Now we have to subtract a 9 from this 27. Okay. So here we will write 27 minus 9. So keep 27 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. So here we have to write 18. Now again we have to subtract a 9 from this 18. So in next step we will write here 18 minus 9. So keep 18 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting again. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So here we will write 9. Now 9 minus 9 and 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So here how many times we have subtracted 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So here the answer is 5. Okay. So here we will write 5. Clear beta? Now the next one is divide and find the quotient and remainder. So beta, in these type of questions you have to write the quotient and remainder. So question number 1 is divide 28 by 5. So here 28 is the dividend. So first of all we will write dividend here. Okay. Now we have to write divisor 5 at divisor's place. Now you know that we have to speak the table of 5, and in the table of 5 28 not comes. Nahi aata na beta 28. So what we will do, we have to write table of 5 here till we get the greater number than 28. हम तब तक 5 की टेबल लिखेंगे जब तक 28 से बड़ा नंबर नहीं आ जाता. So let's start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. So 30 is the greater number than 28. So we will cut 30. Okay, and we have to write 25 below 28. So here we will write 25. Now at which number it comes, at which place it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 is the quotient. So we will write 5 at quotient place. Now put the minus sign here and subtraction. Now from ones place we will start. 8 minus 5, and that is equal to 3. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So in this question 5 is the quotient. So here we will write quotient and 3 is the remainder. Now we have to write its answer. Q 5, okay, and R 3. Clear? Now in question number 2, it is given divide 30 by 9. So here 30 is the dividend. So first of all we will write dividend here, 30. Okay, and 9 is the divisor. Now here in this question we have to speak the table of 9, and we know that in the table of 9 30 not comes. So what we will do, we have to write the table of 9 here at the side till we get the greater number than 30. हम तब तक लिखेंगे 9 की टेबल जब तक 30 से बड़ा नंबर नहीं आ जाता. So let's start. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So here 36 is the greater number than 30. So we will cut 36. हम greater number को नीचे नहीं लिख सकते बेटा. So what we will write? We will write 27 below 30. Okay. So at which place it comes? 1, 2, 3. So here 3 is the quotient. तो मैम यहाँ पर लिख रही हैं 3 quotient. Okay. And now put the minus sign. So let's start subtraction. So 0 minus 7. From ones place we have to start. 0 minus 7, that is not possible. So ones place will take borrow from tens place. And it will become 0 plus 10. That is 10. तो हम यहाँ पर ऊपर लिख देंगे 10. And this tens place will become 2. 3 minus 1. So here we will write 2. Now we have to subtract. So keep 10 in your mind and 7 on your fingers. Let's start backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So here we will write 3 at ones place column. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So in this question we have quotient 3. Okay. So we will write here quotient, and 3 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder 3. And our answer is Q3. Okay. And R3. हमारा रिमाइंडर और क्वोशंट दोनों ही 3 आए हैं इस क्वेश्चन में. Now the next one is question number 3, to divide 28 by 4. So here 28 is the dividend. So first of all we will write dividend 28 here. Okay, and 4 is the divisor. And we know that in the table of 4, 28 comes. So let's speak the table of 4 and see at which place 28 comes. ठीक है बेटा, there is no need to write the table of 4. So let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28. So we will write here 28 below 28, क्योंकि हमारा 28 हमारा 4 की टेबल में आता है, इसलिए हम 28 के नीचे 28 लिखेंगे. कौन से प्लेस पे आया बेटा? एट प्लेस 7. So here we will write 7 at quotient place. Now put the minus sign here. Okay, and start from ones place. 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2, that is also equal to 0. So in this question, 7 is the quotient, so here we will write quotient, okay, and 0 is the remainder. So how we can write its answer? That is Q 7 and R 0. The next one is divide 54 by 7. So here 54 is the dividend. So first of all we will write dividend 54 here, okay, and 7 is the divisor. And we know that in the table of 7, 54 not come. So here we need to write the table of 7 till we get the greater number than 54. Okay, 54 से जब तक बड़ा नंबर नहीं आता तब तक हम 7 की टेबल लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, so let's start. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So here we will stop. Okay, 56 is the greater number than 54. So we need to cut 56. Okay, beta. Now which number we have to write? 49 below 54. So here we will write 49. Okay. Now at which place it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here quotient is 7. तो यहाँ पर हम quotient इधर लिख रहे हैं 7. Now put the minus sign, okay, and start subtraction from ones place. So 4 minus 9, that is not possible. So here we need to take borrow. तो 4 जो है वो 5 से borrow लेगा and it will become 4 plus 10. क्योंकि जो ये borrow लेता है तो ये 10 borrow लेता है. तो 4 plus 10, 14. So here we will write 14. And 5 tens will become 4 tens. So here we will write 4. Okay. And now we have to subtract. So keep 14 in your mind and 9 on your fingers. So let's start speaking backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So here we will write 5 at ones place column. Okay, and 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So what is the quotient here in this question? That is 7. So here we will write quotient. And 5 is the remainder. So here we will write remainder. So in answer, how we can write? Q as a 7, okay, and R is 5. Understood, beta? Now one more example of it. Question number 5, divide 48 by 6. So here 48 is the dividend. So first of all we will write 48 and 6 is the divisor. Okay, and we know that 48 comes in the table of 6. So there is no need to write the table of 6. Okay, and we have to speak the table of 6. Okay, so let's start. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48. So here we will write 48 below 48. Okay, and at quotient place we will write 8. Now put the minus sign here. Now start subtraction. So 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Okay, and 4 minus 4, that is also equal to 0. So here in this question, 8 is the quotient. So we will write quotient and 0 is the remainder. Okay, now we have to write its answer. And answer is Q 8 and R 0. Understood? Now the next one is write true or false for the following. So here in question number 1, बेटा ट्रू मीन्स सही और फॉल्स मीन्स गलत. ठीक है, तो अगर हमारी स्टेटमेंट सही है तो आप ट्रू लिखेंगे, अगर हमारी स्टेटमेंट गलत है तो हम फॉल्स लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिवीजन इज रिपीटेड एडिशन. हमें यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है बेटा कि डिवीजन का मतलब है बार बार ऐड करना, एंड दैट इज फॉल्स बिकॉज डिवीजन इज रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन नॉट एडिशन. तो यहाँ पे एडिशन गिवन है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फॉल्स. So here we will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now in question number 2, remainder is always less than the divisor. जो remainder होता है वो हमेशा छोटा होता है divisor से. Yes, जो रिमाइंडर है यानी जो लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट है आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग, जो लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट है वो हमेशा क्या होता है, डिवाइजर से छोटा होता है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. सो वी विल राइट ट्रू. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिवीजन मीन्स इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. डिवीजन का मतलब होता है बराबर बराबर बांटना. Yes, this statement is true. So here we will write true. Now in question number 4, the answer of division sum is quotient. जो हम आंसर निकालते हैं डिवीजन सम का उसे हम क्वोशंट बुलाते हैं. Yes, this statement is also true. Okay बेटा. Now the next is fill in the blanks. So here in question number 1 it is given the sign of division is dash. मैम ने आपको बताया था डिवीजन का साइन क्या होता है बेटा. सबसे पहले आप एक स्लिपिंग लाइन लगाएंगे, उसके ऊपर एक डॉट और एक डॉट उसके नीचे लाइक दिस. ठीक है, वन स्लिपिंग लाइन, देन वन डॉट अबव दैट स्लिपिंग लाइन एंड वन डॉट बिलो दैट स्लिपिंग लाइन. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन 35 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 इज इक्वल टू 5. डिवाइजर इज डैश. हमें दिया हुआ है बेटा कि 35 को जब हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 7 से दैट इज इक्वल टू 5. तो इसमें से डिवाइजर कौन सा है. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज डिवाइजर. डिवाइजर क्या होता है, जो डिवाइड करता है ना. तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड किसने किया, 7 ने. ओके, सो हियर 7 इज द डिवाइजर. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डिवीजन मीन्स टू डिवाइड डैश. डिवीजन का क्या मतलब होता है कि हम चीज़ों को कैसे डिवाइड करें. डिवीजन मीन्स टू डिवाइड इक्वली. EQUALLY. फिर से हम इसकी स्पेलिंग लर्न करेंगे. EQUALLY. इक्वली. इक्वली मतलब बराबर बराबर. ठीक है, तो डिवीजन का मतलब होता है बराबर बराबर बांटना. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, from 12 apples, how many groups can be made of 3 apples? ठीक है बेटा, हमारे पास 12 एप्पल्स हैं, तो हम उन 12 एप्पल्स में से 3 एप्पल्स के कितने ग्रुप्स बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी नीड टू स्पीक द टेबल ऑफ 3 टिल वी गेट द नंबर 12. ठीक है, हमें तब तक 3 की टेबल बोलनी है जब तक हमारे पास 12 नहीं आता. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here at number 4 12 comes. So 4 is the answer. ठीक है, हमारे कितने ग्रुप्स बन जाएंगे 3 एप्पल्स के, 4 ग्रुप्स. We can make 4 groups of 3 apples. Understood? Now the next is multiple choice questions. What do you mean by multiple choice questions बेटा. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस का मतलब होता है when we have given 4 options and we have to find out the correct option from them. Okay, so let's start. In question number 1, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always dash. जब हम 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है, when 0 is divided by any number, जब हम 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, द क्वोशिएंट इज ऑलवेज डैश. तो हमेशा क्वोशिएंट क्या आता है. ऑप्शंस आर A 1, B 0, C 2 and D 10. Okay, now we have to find out which option is correct. And we know that when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. तो वो हमेशा 0 आता है. So here we will write 0 and it is in option number B. So our answer is option B is correct. Okay. Now in question number 2, 56 divided by 7 is equal to dash. तो यहाँ पे बेटा हमें दिया है 56 को डिवाइड करना है हमें 7 से, and our options are A 7, B 56, C 8 and D 0. Okay, so here we need to speak the table of 7 till we get the number 56. So let's start. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So at number 8 it comes 56. So here 8 is the correct answer. Okay, so we will write option C, 8 is correct. Okay beta. Now in question number 3, it is given when any number is divided by number 1. जब किसी नंबर को हम 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं, the quotient is always the dash. तो हमेशा quotient क्या आता है? And our options are A 1, B 0, C 2 and D number itself. So let's see बेटा, जब हम किसी नंबर को किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. लाइक सपोज आई हैव डिवाइडेड 5 by 1. So what is the answer? That is the number itself, means 5. Okay, so here we will write number itself. So option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. Now in question number 4, 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8, then dividend is dash. यहाँ पर हमें दिया हुआ है 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. हमने 72 को जब 9 से डिवाइड किया तो हमारा क्वोशिएंट आ गया 8. तो हमें इसमें से बताना है डिविडेंड कौन सा है. ठीक है, तो डिविडेंड, व्हाट इज डिविडेंड बेटा? ऑप्शंस आर ए 72, बी 9, सी 8 एंड डी 0. तो डिविडेंड क्या होता है बेटा? द नंबर दैट इज टू बी डिवाइडेड, है ना. जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना होता है. तो यहाँ पर हमने किसको डिवाइड किया है? 72 को. ठीक है, सो हियर 72 इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ टुडेज होमवर्क. सो बेटा, do assignment number 2 given on एडक्वाक वेबसाइट. आपने बेटा असाइनमेंट नंबर 2 करना है जो एडक्वाक वेबसाइट पे मैम अपलोड करेंगी. ठीक है, और आपने फुल चैप्टर ऑफ डिवीजन रिवाइज करना है, बिकॉज ऑन कमिंग वेडनेसडे देयर विल बी अ टेस्ट ऑफ डिवीजन चैप्टर. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? सो यू नीड टू रिवाइज ऑल द चैप्टर. ओके, एंड वट एवर योर प्रॉब्लम इज देयर we will discuss it in the class. Okay, thank you.